Sheik's been having some of the best deals. So of course we had to hit up the Hollywood location. Haven't hit up this spot in a while. This is one of the bigger locations. I remember right now they do give an extra 20% off the sales items, at least for sneakers. I need to find out if it's with apparel as well. Yeah, these are $139.99 with that extra 20 on top. $150 for these. That's before the extra discount. These are down to $110. We've seen these as low as like 80 or 70. I don't know, we've seen them hella cheap. Restocks on the bread toe right here. These are down to 180 after discount. What are these Team Jordans right here? Stay Loyals. These are going for under $50 after discount. $48. Wow. Yo, this is the cheapest we've ever seen these. $40. $40 for the Legacy 312s. Holy cow. Wow. $70 for these, and that is before that discount. True Flights on sale if you don't mind. These bad boys. $100 for those. $80 for these. And $75 for these. That's all before the discount. Wow. We've been seeing these on sale at Shoe Palace, and then look at this. $90, and then you get an extra 20 off. Holy cow, holy cow. So that's what, $18 off. Wow, $72. $72. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And then these on sale as well. I'm thinking about them. Man. $110 for the Air Max ones right here. I don't think I've seen this colorway of the Air Max 9. This is pretty dope. It is regular price, $130. But pretty dope, dude. I like that color blocking. And then Force is on sale, $80 for these. This display is really awesome. It's like perfect for the channel because it gets individual lighting and stuff. That's actually nice. These also on sale at $80 plus that extra 20. Then Force is all white. Go for $115. But are these gonna start becoming harder to get? Didn't Nike say they're gonna start limiting these again? Okay. The colorway on these ain't bad, dude. You know, I'm paying regular price for sneakers right now, but this, not bad. I kind of like it. What's the color? What's that? Smoke gray, dark smoke gray? Okay. But yeah, man. Buck, what does it say? What, 180? Okay. 70 for the Cortez. 110 for these. These all prices before that extra 20 off. Then the LeBron Next Gens right here. Look at this. Wow. $100 off and then another 20 off on top. So $14 off of that. Wow. $56. Wow. Grade school. What are these, black toes? What do they call them? Black toes or something? These ain't bad. These are not bad. I'm not a fan of the leather, but the color blocking is just sick on these. $90 freaking dollars. Okay. And in the grade school, they do have a ton of dunks. Holy cow. And on the next day, they do got these available. They're starting their raffle for the Space Jam 11 lows. Okay. And I did forget to talk about the quality of these. Not tumbled leather or anything, just regular buck leather. It's okay. Right now, I think the quality for most Jordan products, like leather, hasn't been great. But yeah, these ain't bad. I'm just, like I said, I was very surprised to see that it was like kind of like a light, super lightweight upper. But yeah, I did grab mine. These are a size 10.5, full family sizing right there. And the Jordan 1s that just came out. I don't think I covered this on release day, but yeah, do got these bad boys right here. Does have the Nike Air on the tongue. $180 for these. All right, so it is off 20% off the sale. Apparel as well. This is like hella thick right here. These are going for $75. It is on sale. So you do get an extra sale on a lot of the sales items. So this is $30. So you're going to get this for what, $24? I did say that the sale does end. I think it's just this weekend. So by the time y'all see this, it might be over. Might have to make another short on that then. But yeah, they got some decent stuff on sale. I'm trying to see if they have any of those shorts that they did have on sale at Northridge. They were $15. Mitchell and shorts for 15 bucks, another 20% off. That means they were like, what, $12, $13? I don't see anything like that here. They do have this Dodgers Mitchell and shirt, which is pretty dope, down to 30. So that's what, $24. I showed y'all that video. I already released that one. I released it earlier than one of my other videos. That's pending. So hopefully you guys know about this sale. That's why you gotta watch every video, man. So you gotta watch every video. UNC jacket right here. This is pretty dope. Not paying regular price for it, but it is pretty fire. $150 for those. Not seeing too many sales items here though, unfortunately, because that is pretty dope. $60 for these right here. Might have to check out one of the other Chics that has more sales items. $50 for the Jumpman hoodie. So yeah, $20 for that. What the hell? Guns N' Roses. I still have never seen these go on sale at all. I would grab one for my kid. Maybe for next year, but it's kind of hard to predict how big he's gonna be, because man, it's almost what, 8 months away. You never know when kids are gonna have that growth spurt. Right, they got dunks for men right there. There's the Nike section in the back. Grade school and women on the right. Showed y'all that Jordan section earlier. Vans, Adidas, New Balance up there. Got tons of apparel in the back. Well, there's a ton of hats as well. It's a pretty dope location. Hollywood Highland is, what, 4 blocks that way? I'm definitely not walking. And parking really sucks. Oh, that's where Tequila is. Oh, I went to the one in Studio City, but not the one out here. Wait, I think it's Sherman Oaks. But yeah, parking is a pain, so yeah, we're gonna go to Montebello. But yeah, man, came out to just hella cheap. Look at this, $84 off. Got it for $56. 56 bucks, yo. 56 bucks, man. Damn. All right, next stop, Northridge Mall with the bootleg looking sign. All right, let's start with Shoe Palace. And I'm curious to see, did the military blue sell out? Yeah, it did. In a week, it did sell out. I've been saying some of these spots got them for 100. We've seen these for what, 70, or was it $69.99 or $79.99 at some of the Shoe Palaces? We're gonna find out. I'm gonna have them price check. Okay, I did talk to one of the workers. I did price check. He's like, I think it's the same. I was like, you sure? And he's like, nah, $79.99. $79.99. When Shoe Palace has sales, usually it's across all of their stores. That's usually the way they run their sales. And then these SEs right here, these are on sale as well for $79.99. I haven't seen these in a while. I'm surprised these aren't on sale, because I don't know. These still here. I like these, but I don't like them. They're just like too bright for me. But I like the color blocking. I really love the color blocking on that one. And then they do got the 9s, powder blue 9s. Someone gets really pissed off when I call stuff powder blue. Someone calls stuff powder blue. It's hilarious seeing people mad in the comment section. Some of y'all think it makes me mad, but it's just funny. But yeah, $130 for the ochres right here. These totally remind me of the ones. Shoot, I forgot, what was the colorway of the ones that looked like this? And it was like, it was a different material. It wasn't suede, but it was rusted pink or something. But yeah, it was acid wash pink or something. No, it was the one that went along with the turbo greens as well as the hyper royals. But yeah, these remind me of those. $135 for these. Boys to Men merch on sale, $20 for the hoodies. And all the Shoe Palace hoodies, man, I'm telling you, all their materials are really nice. I'm not a fan of all the branding, whatever branding they have. But if you're a Boys in the Hood fan, 20 bucks, dude, 20 bucks. You want some young Ice Cube and Cuba Gooding on your shirts, 20 bucks. 20 bucks, and these are for hoodies. This is a jacket right here, go for 20 bucks. Sweats, and another hoodie. Not bad. And I think this is still on sale, the Dodgers New Era shirt right here. This is normally 40, and I'm 99% sure it was 20 because I just saw it on sale for 20, and this is the sale section right here. And then I think this is on sale too because I just saw a tag. Yeah, there it is. $10 for Austin 316 for your WWE lovers. Or is this WWF back in the day? This is WWF stuff from back in the day. They got NWO stuff right here. Not bad, not bad. Got a few sizes too. And then had to make a little stop. This fool needed to get something for his mom for Mother's Day. So I don't know. It's not my business. This is whatever he wants. So he needs to figure it out. He's having a hard time. He's having a hard time. You know? All right, this one ended up getting a bunch of stuff. All right. Nice kid, good stuff, good stuff. Got that for your mom. All right, let's check out the Chic. I do want to let you guys know that 20% off sale is over. That other Chic visit was from earlier in the week. So yeah, man, I hope you guys were able to take advantage of it. I showed you guys a couple of videos from that Chic deal, so I hope you guys were able to take advantage. But yeah, they do still have grade school. Grade school military blue 4s. They were calling them industrial blue. Like my box says military blue. Got a new LeBron colorway that I've never seen before. This is wild. Is this men's grade school? All right, this is a men's 9 right here. I've never seen this colorway. And as I had mentioned before, all the earlier colorways did not show all the ropes, but on the later ones it is. Gives it a totally different look. Wow. All right, these are going for $2 bills. $2 bills. And men's military blue 4s, they're gone. They're gone, yo. Wow. Wow. If y'all needed these, y'all had your chance to pick these up for $120. Also could have picked the Chambres for $120. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Especially with the full box and all that. That is pretty dope. I'm still wondering if I should have picked these up. I'm trying to pick up less and less sneakers and less stuff. $50, it would have gotten down to 40. I am a huge fan of these. Someone called these house slippers, man. I'm like, these mother lovers ain't no house slippers. What the hell? They're slides, woman. What the hell is wrong with you? But yeah, these are $50 right here. JD's the only spot where I've seen the powder blue ones. The university blue. They're the only ones that had the university blue ones. I think Nike had them too, but I ain't paying full price for these. Come on now. Slide season is upon us out in Southern California. Ton of slides, all the calm slides right here. So many different colorways. Seeing if any of them are on sale since they've been out for a while now. Not really. They're all $50. I'd rather get those other ones for $50. Like, these are probably more comfy, but yeah, these just look more dope. I don't know. Maybe that's just me because I'm old, but I love these. Have to check if there are any good sales right here. $100 for the Mitchell & S Swingman Lakers shorts, $85. Right here, all the Bulls stuff going for 80 something as well. $100 for those, so no big sales. We'll check out one of the flex stores real quick before we head out. And this is one of the stores that still has the military blue 4s. This is a bigger size. This is size 13. Oh, size 11.5. My bad. 11.5. And it does look like most of the stores are out of them. I'm sure there are plenty of stores that do have them. Depends on the location probably, but Northridge Mall, this is the only store here with them. 11.5, man. Okay. Shoe Palace got them on sale. Not on sale here. I think this is the only store in this mall that has these bad boys right here. These are nice, dude. They're different, man. Different material. Can't tell if it's like a suede, but kind of like these. Kind of like the orange kind of ruins it for me, but I like the fact that it's slightly different. And then got Jordan's other signature sneakers, or Jordan's signature players sneakers right here. Do got the Luka 2s. Do got the Zions right there. Also got the, what is it, the 38s right there. Then Team J's right there. A bunch going for $80. Okay. And then a couple of university blue colorways. Got the Comfort 11s as well as the Jumpman Team 1s right here. AKA Eddie Jones. These ain't bad, dude. I don't know why. These ain't bad. Eddie Jones used to wear the black and purple, right? I think. And then what are you doing, champs? How are these still $115? What are you doing? These are... What the hell, dude? I don't understand. Zion 3's already out. These have been here forever. Only $5 off. I don't know. Stuff just don't make sense sometimes. I don't know. Really looks like they're pushing this type of color blocking. this type of color blocking, and then this one. Those are the three big color blockings they're pushing for the Air Force Ones. Which ones are you the biggest fan of? Looks like last 2 years they had like a million colorways of those, and then now they're pushing a lot of these. I kind of like that one right now. I kind of like that one. But yeah, man, they're all going for what, 115 now, 110, 110 and 115. Okay. Flex store is really slowing down on the sales right now. Maybe because the summer's coming up. Adidas section right here. See a few sales tags, but kind of the same stuff. Like they've had these forever, and they're not even on sale, not even discounted a little bit. Web Boost going for 80. They've had those for quite some time. What's going on with the flex stores, man? What is up with the flex stores? I don't know, man.
So it's like,
this fool showing me all the F1 merch he wants. What is it for? What is it? What is it? What is it for? Why you getting all shy, fool? Why you getting all shy? The Monaco? Is it a Monaco jacket? How much is that?
150.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Like shows.
But you don't. But we're not gonna get jackets for a minute because
true.
the summer's coming up. I did talk to one of the workers. He said they just got a restock today of the military blue force, so they did sell out. They just got a restock today, 10 sizes 10 and up, so they still have a few left. But yeah, man, those OG 4s, man. Any of the OG 4s, that's what's flying off the shelves right now, man. All right, we out, man. We out. Gonna go spend Friday night with my kiddo. I was like, why is there such a big line at Pandora? Look at this. Look at this. You spend $125 and you get a little silver bracelet. You get a rose gold bracelet if you spend $290. So everybody's getting stuff for their mom and themselves. Okay.